Hello, Randy Rain here, and I'm 5 videos away from number 400 in a row every Saturday for almost 8 years now. Now, to keep up, they can't all be big projects. Some of them have to be simple, and that's what this is. Do you remember this guy? Or this robot? Or this spaceship? These were erasers that came out in the 1980s, and I found them on eBay, and they jogged a memory, and so I had to get them. And I really loved the little robot, so I wanted to make an action figure out of it. So this is what I did. So I took some sticky wax and adhered this 3D printed piece I made. And then attached it to this piece of masonite. So I need to put a piece of wire on these arms as vent holes, and it's right there at that claw. I think that will work. Now, just a piece of construction paper and some beeswax. I always cut one end all crazy. That way I can tell which is the flat side. So I'm using Mold Max 30. Hopefully there's enough in here. Now you definitely don't want to start mixing really fast because that catalyst is like alcohol thin and you'll splash that stuff right everywhere. Expose the white in the silicone by doing this, and eventually you'll get enough of it soaked up. Then you can start mixing. And you want to scrape the sides and scrape the bottom and pull the bottom up and then scrape off your stick and all that so it's thoroughly mixed. Prop it up with a little battery. Now I'm going to do what's called the bombs away method. And it's where you get really high, not with weed or anything. You get about, I don't know, as high as you can, 6 feet, 5 feet, 8 feet if you can, and you make a tiny little stream. I'm standing on my chair, about to drop some here, but I'm going to lower it so I can make sure I get it. I want to get it right here. A little drop. I want it to pour right down the side here in a nice little thin line. And I keep moving higher and higher. And kind of move it around. Help get rid of any air bubbles or any air pockets or anything. I pour too much, and when that happens, you keep it, and then you just cut them up into little chunks. And you put them down in here. That way you can reuse it. You don't waste it, because silicone isn't cheap. Well, hopefully this works. I'm scraping the bottom of the barrel of my silicone here, which is why I chose to do this. Hey, you're in my chair. You're in my chair. Yeah, you. You don't care, do you? Alright, I'm going to try. This is a little rust. Literally just iron oxide. I'm just going to dab it all over different areas. Black iron oxide as well. Put black on it as well. Now we can go silver. Alright, it's all cured, I believe. Hopefully I post-cured the mold enough. This tin-cured silicone releases alcohol as it cures, and that alcohol will inhibit the rubber from curing. And now I'm using this onyx, and I'm making a base. Now I'm making this one with the base. I don't know if I'm going to keep it that way. I want to make at least one so I can see. I may just make them rubber little figures, just like the originals. Had a little moisture in there. It's okay. Let's see how it went. Yeah, it still needs some post curing. It's a little sticky, but that is freaking cool. That's what I want right there. But yeah, it needs to post cure some more. So you have to put it in the oven, and I put it at 170 degrees. You're supposed to be 150, but my oven doesn't go that low. So 170 it is, and you leave it in there, and hopefully it gets rid of the alcohol. With some time and heat, it will go all out. So I made a bunch of them with different plastics and rubbers and stuff. Here's a rubber one. The bottom pedestal is plastic, but the robot is rubber. But then there's some where it's all plastic. And some of them still need to get the flashing taken off of the sides. These were done with the black onyx plastic and just pouring the whole thing. I tried some other ones. This will end up being one of my overflow molds. So if I ever pour too much plastic, I will just pour it into here and just start making robots with the excess plastic. So if you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. The little robots are going to the upper tier patrons, which I would like to thank right here. These are the patrons. These are the people bringing you this little robots and stuff. So I thank them oh so very much. And if you'd like to become a patron, there are some perks. The upper tier are getting some of these little robots. Anyway, if you want to, go check it out. There are perks and links and stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hey. You're in my chair. You're in my chair. Yeah, you. You don't care, do you?